guys, today is Monday and it's another weekly vlog. Yet again, we are stuck at home. I spent the entire morning editing a lookbook that I'm going to be posting tomorrow. It's turning out so good. I'm so excited. I have 3 outfits in it, but I felt like maybe I could add 1 more to make it 4, so it's a little bit longer. So I was like, why not? I'll just film the outfit that I'm wearing today. My hair is driving me absolutely insane today. I have to trim my bangs so badly. Should I do a makeover video? We'll circle back to that. Also, my room is messy again, so we're probably gonna have to clean that up later because yes, this is a bathtub. I'm never gonna find a place. I can't find another place to shoot this outfit and it's really annoying. I think I'm gonna go for a walk and film one of the outfits that I wore in the first week. Stay. Why did I decide that doing that was a good idea? It is so cold outside. It looks really nice and sunny, but nope. Okay, so it looks like I'm just going to be doing 3 outfits for this video. So I actually really like the way that this video turned out. I think it's really cute, especially for shooting it on a tripod. Ew. Today is a Tuesday and today I look crazy because I'm working on a little makeover video. You guys know I usually have my bangs, but I'm going to be trying a more 1940s style hairstyle. I'm really excited. I'm going to match it with a little 1940s makeup and stuff. It's really windy outside, so I'm spending the entire day inside just kind of working on this video. It's pretty much the final look. I'm not 100% happy with it. My hair is already falling out, which is really annoying. I took my hair down and just kind of like moved it around and now my hair is huge. Like, when have you guys ever seen me with hair with this much volume? Hi guys, today is a Wednesday and yes, I know I look horrible. My hair is like fully dyed out from yesterday that I curled it. It looks like so bad. I hate it. And I'm not wearing makeup, so it just makes it like so much worse. So anyway, all morning I've been like importing and moving around a bunch of footage on my computer. So now I'm just gonna sit down and just edit all the stuff from yesterday from like that makeover video. So it's gonna be a pretty slow day. It's around 12-ish. So I figured I would be editing till around 4 max, and then I really do want to clean my room because I still haven't done that. So let's see how much I can get done in that time, and yeah. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, so it's like 3:30 right now. I have about, the video's currently 12 minutes and 30 seconds, but I haven't fast forwarded all the bits that I want to fast forward yet. Now I can do so many more videos because I have so much room. It's finally exporting and look at what time it is. It's Thursday and we are cleaning today. I have so much to edit, but I was like, you know what, Carolina, no, we are cleaning. You guys have heard me talk about cleaning my room for days now and it doesn't end up happening. So today is the day. We are finishing. There's not gonna be anything out of place by the end of today's vlog. I'm gonna start by making my bed, obviously, because I feel like that makes a huge difference whenever you're cleaning your room. A bunch of random things that I have to put away that I still haven't put away since I used this, whatever week this was when I was shooting these photos. Yeah, it's still sitting around. So let's get started. I was literally gonna do this, but I was gonna knock my camera over, so let's go. Alright, so this corner's not too bad. It's pretty much just the pillows that go on top of my bed. I'm just gonna empty all of this stuff out. Sweater I was wearing yesterday. Okay, now I'm gonna fold this. to do with these pants. I love these pants. I think they're so cute. Like the cut of them is so cute, but the waist is like really big on me, so it looks really awkward. So I think I'm gonna try this on. This is like one of my favorite sweaters. It's like a really nice beigey oatmeal kind of color, which I love. It matches pretty mumuch anything. Kind of grandma-y. You can see through the light there that it has like this really pretty texture to it. Is this not the perfect hanging out on the couch sweater? Like, love it. If you watched my first vlog, still drinking my water. I upgraded though. I'm drinking 3 a day instead of 2, which is awesome. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna get really hot. These ones are goes. I really hate this top on me. Should I change? I'm not gonna change. Okay, so these are the pants, and from the front they look really cool. It's a really cool cut. They're really nice and wide, but the only problem is, like, how does that even happen? So good thing I didn't get any Easter chocolate this year because I'm still eating the ones from last year. I think this is my favorite backpack. It's so cute. I have a lot of DVDs to put away. I store all of my DVDs inside this night table. So on the inside here, it's pretty much all DVDs. As you can tell, there's some like empty like holes, and same back here. And that's where all of these guys live. Should we watch I Dream of Jeannie? No, Carolina, focus. You have to clean. Okay, maybe later. All right, all clean, all clean. Yay! Now I think I'm just going to spend the rest of the day editing this vlog because I haven't started at all for this week, and it's really stressing me out because I have to upload it on Sunday and today is Thursday. So when I edit, I don't know why, I really like to have my room super dark. So I usually close all of my blinds. And I usually sit right there, and then I put my feet over the heater right there to keep me really nice and warm. And then back here, I have a little blanket that I grab sometimes if I'm extra cold. Okay, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business to defeat the Han. Can't with how bad I look in some of these clips. Like, what was I even thinking?
Walks down the street, he's my guy. And they say, hey, he's a rebel and he never ever gave you any good. There's no reason why I can give him all my love. It's always good to me. You got that soul right beyond your year. Do, 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 do.
Hi guys, today is Friday and not a lot going on today. Having a little dance party. My room is still clean. It's fairly nice outside, so I'm gonna go for a walk, I think, and just pretty much chill. When I say it's nice out, that you have to keep in mind that it is Canada, so I still need a coat. So let's see what coat I put on. Okay, if I wear this, is it too much pattern? Actually, it might cover up my skirt. It does. Ugh, I hate this country. I look ridiculous. Can you please explain to me why it's the end of April and I still have to wear earmuffs and have to wear like a thick scarf because it's so cold outside still? So annoying. I don't understand why it's so cold in this country all the time. I want to move so bad. Everything's like so boring and there's like no history. Like we don't have as much history as like other countries do. Like you're not going to compare it to like France or Spain or England or something. Like they have way more history, like just because they've been around for much longer. I would love to live in Europe. Okay, Europe is a very broad term. I would love to move to Paris, but being realistic, even a small town in France, I would be so happy living there. Even if it's like a really tiny town, or even moving to like Spain. I love Spain. Living in Seville would be really cool. You get to walk everywhere and there's all these beautiful buildings around you. But like here, like if you go into the city, like in downtown Toronto, like all the buildings are so modern and so ugly and they're all made of glass and it's just like really not nice to look at. It's really sad because you see all these old photos of Toronto and you see these big old historical buildings and they've all gotten torn down just because they want to build all these massive skyscrapers that have filled with glass so that it's more modern on the inside, and it's honestly so tragic and it makes me sad to see all the time. I follow this one account that shows you like before and afters of Toronto, or like old photos versus now, and it's so heartbreaking to see how many buildings just got destroyed just to build condos, you know? I wish people were more involved to like preserve different historical buildings. Also, I would love to live in like a historical home. Like, just built so much better back then. Like not only the materials that they're made out of, but also like the structure of the houses and like the way the rooms are laid out. Modern houses are all open concept, which I hate. I hate open concept. I love having rooms, and that's what I love about old houses. They all had different rooms. Like your living room was a room, your kitchen was a room. It's not all like a big open space. And I know that's all because of heating. Like I do realize that, because obviously if you have a fireplace, it's a lot easier to keep one room hot versus an open concept entire house hot. That just like makes sense, and that's why they did it that way. But I love the way that it looks, and it just had so much more detail than they do now. Like everything now is just like modern and sleek. Everything's like so geometric, you know what I mean? I don't know, these are my constant thoughts, you know? I don't know, but then again, I think like, is anybody really happy living in the country they live in? Or is it just because we're so used to it that it just becomes boring after a while? Where would you live if you could live somewhere else? Or what country, or town, or city, or whatever? Let me know in the comments below. Let's do something else. I don't have anything to edit other than this rant that I just did, which is going to take me forever to sort through because I had to re-say things a million times because I stumble over my words. I feel like I talk in cursive sometimes. Like I talk so fast and my words just kind of like climb on top of each other and it makes like no sense. It's me talking cursive, you know? Guys. Okay. So, I love Anne with an E. I'm sure most of you guys have seen it, but it always takes forever to get to Canadian Netflix, and I just don't understand why, because it's a Canadian story, it's set in Canada, the show is filmed in Canada, but somehow the Canadian Netflix always gets it like last for some reason. Like all the other countries have the 3rd season, and we don't have the 3rd season yet. And I found it online, not on Netflix. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. So I'm going to binge watch the entire 3rd season. I am so excited. Okay, that's pretty much all I'm doing for the rest of the night. So I'm just gonna call it a day and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
She could be a farmer in those clothes.
Today is Saturday. It is gorgeous outside. I see like bright blue skies, so I'm excited to go for a walk. So I guess we could say my rant yesterday was a little unjustified, but like it's fine. So I'm gonna go outside and try and take an Instagram. I am wearing kind of like a different outfit for me. I have this like knit sweater on and overalls, and that's just really strange for me because I haven't worn denim overalls in I don't know how long. Walk. I know this video is already really long, so I have to spend time and cut it down, so I don't want to add any more like nonsense to it. So pretty much all I'm doing the rest of the day is just finishing up this video, editing, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!